Hiya YouTubers, this is Superman G, come back at you one more again. Did you know that you can create custom folders in Gmail? If not, then in this video I'll illustrate how you can do just that. In most cases, you can even give the folder a unique color so that it can easily be spotted from the list of other folders. If you have a Google account, then you already have a Gmail email. Open up your Gmail email by navigating to google.com/gmail. Once you are here, navigate over to the left pane and look for the words labels. Right next to it is a plus symbol. If you hover your cursor over it, it will have a pop-up window that says Create New Label. You can also get to this by clicking on the word More and then click on Create New Label. Clicking on either one will give you the same result. When the new label window appears, enter a name for the label, which will be the name of the folder. If you want to create a subfolder within the folder, put a tick in the Next Label Under box and select which folder you want to place the subfolder in. Click on the Create button. You will get a message at the bottom that says the label test was created. Here's your folder. Now, if you want to add a color to the folder, move your cursor over to the right of the folder where you will see 3 dots. Click on the 3 dots and a menu will appear. Scroll up to the label color and choose a color. A check mark will appear on the color you've chosen. If you wish to add a custom color, click on Add Custom Color and choose a color from the Preview Label Color window. Click Apply for the changes to take effect. And that's all there is to being able to change the colors of labels in Gmail. I hope this helps you guys out. Till then, you all take care, be safe, and peace out.